1. Morning wake up. Good morning. Did you sleep well last night?
Yes, I slept like a baby.
The sunlight is already bright outside.
Let's open the curtains then.
Do you want tea or coffee today?
Coffee sounds perfect this morning.
I'll make some eggs for breakfast.
Great, I'll toast the bread.
Any plans after breakfast today?
Maybe a walk in the park.
That sounds peaceful and refreshing.
Yes, I need some fresh air.
Did you feed the fish yet?
Not yet, I'll do it now.
They're always hungry early morning.
True, they never skip a meal.
Let's eat before the food gets cold.
I'm ready, let's start.
2. Grocery shopping. Do we need a shopping list today?
Yes, it helps us stay organized.
First stop, let's grab some vegetables.
Tomatoes and cucumbers sound good.
Should we buy some fresh fruits too?
Yes, apples and bananas, please.
Don't forget a carton of milk.
Skim milk or full cream?
Skim milk is healthier for everyone.
Okay, skim milk it is.
What about bread for sandwiches?
Get whole grain, it tastes better.
Want some cookies for dessert later?
Just a small pack to stay healthy.
Anything else we might be missing?
Maybe some cooking oil.
Perfect. Let's head to the checkout.
I'll pay by card today.
3. Cafe catch-up. Hi, it's been months since we met.
I know time flies so quickly.
What would you like to drink?
I'll have a caramel latte.
I'll order an iced Americano for me.
Good choice on a hot day.
How's work treating you these days?
Busy but exciting projects keep me happy.
Any upcoming travel plans this year?
Maybe Japan in the summer.
Wow, that sounds like an amazing trip.
Yes, I can't wait to explore Tokyo.
Drinks are ready. Shall we sit outside?
Sure, the breeze feels nice today.
Let's take some photos together later.
Great idea, memories are priceless.
I'm glad we finally met today.
Me too, it feels refreshing.
4. Waiting for the bus. The bus seems a bit late today.
Yes, probably heavy morning traffic.
Did you check the bus schedule?
It should arrive in 10 minutes.
I hope we still get good seats.
If not, standing is fine.
Do you ride this bus every day?
Yes, it's the fastest route.
I usually listen to music while waiting.
I prefer reading short stories instead.
The weather feels cooler this morning.
A nice change from yesterday's heat.
Oh, look, the bus is finally coming.
Great, let's get our tickets ready.
I hope the air conditioner works today.
Same, yesterday it was broken.
Let's hurry before it gets too crowded.
Right behind you, let's go.
5. Doctor visit. Good morning, doctor. I feel unwell today.
Good morning. Please tell me the symptoms.
I have a sore throat and cough.
How long have you felt this way?
It started about 4 days ago.
Any fever or body aches?
No fever, just throat discomfort.
I'll check your throat carefully now.
Is it something serious, doctor?
No, likely a mild infection.
Do I need antibiotics for treatment?
No, syrup and rest are enough.
Can I still go to work tomorrow?
Yes, but drink plenty of water.
Thank you for the quick checkup.
You're welcome. Take care and rest.
I'll follow your advice carefully.
Good, you'll recover very soon.
6. Gym workout. Is anyone using this treadmill now?
No, it's free. Go ahead.
I usually run for 30 minutes daily.
That's a great consistent habit.
Do you warm up before starting exercise?
Always, stretching prevents injuries.
What's your fitness goal this year?
I want to build more strength.
Mine is losing 5 kilograms.
Keep training and eating healthy.
Do you count your daily calories intake?
Yes, it keeps me disciplined.
Music makes workouts more enjoyable.
Absolutely, I love energetic songs.
Shall we join a yoga class later?
Sure, flexibility is important too.
Let's grab water after this session.
Good idea, stay hydrated always.
7. Library afternoon. I'm searching for a good mystery novel.
Try the new arrivals on Shelf B.
Do you visit the library every week?
Yes, it's my peaceful escape.
What's your favorite book recently?
The Silent Patient impressed me.
I haven't read that one yet.
You should, it's thrilling.
Do I need a library card today?
Yes, please fill this quick form.
Can I borrow more than 2 books?
Members can borrow 3 at once.
That's perfect for a weekend read.
Enjoy your reading time.
Do they allow late returns sometimes?
Yes, with a small fee.
Thanks for the helpful information.
My pleasure. Happy reading.
8. Taxi ride. Please drive me to the central station.
Sure. Fast route or scenic route?
Take the fastest route. I'm in a hurry.
Okay, I'll use the highway then.
How long will the trip probably take?
Around 25 minutes today.
Is the traffic heavy this evening?
Not too bad, smoother than yesterday.
Can you turn on the air conditioner?
Of course, comfortable temperature coming.
I prefer soft music while traveling.
I have some jazz on the radio.
Perfect. That's relaxing for the ride.
Glad you like jazz too.
Do you accept credit card payments?
Yes, card or cash both work.
Great. I'll pay by card later.
No problem, enjoy the ride.
9. Evening walk in the park. The sunset looks beautiful today.
Yes, the sky is glowing orange.
Do you hear the birds singing loudly?
Their sound is very calming.
Let's take the longer walking path.
Good idea, more fresh air.
Did you bring a bottle of water?
Yes, I packed 2 bottles.
The flowers smell wonderful tonight.
Nature always feels refreshing here.
Kids are still playing soccer happily.
They have endless energy.
Shall we sit on that wooden bench?
Sure, let's rest a little.
I love peaceful evenings like this.
Me too, it clears my mind.
We should do this more often.
Absolutely, it's great for health.
10. Dinner at home. I'm starving. What's for dinner tonight?
Let's cook pasta with fresh vegetables.
I'll chop tomatoes and onions first.
Great, I'll boil the pasta.
Do we have enough cheese at home?
Yes, I bought some yesterday.
Should we add some grilled chicken?
Yes, that adds more flavor.
Don't forget to season the sauce.
I'll add salt and pepper carefully.
The aroma is already amazing.
I can't wait to taste it.
Plates and forks are ready on table.
Perfect, everything smells delicious.
Let's eat before it gets cold.
Cheers to a tasty homemade dinner.
Cooking together is always fun.
Yes, it makes dinner special.